This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a supported PC environment and a Google account signed in. Open the Play Store on your PC or launch an Android emulator. This is how the device presents itself to Google. Once done, sign in with the account you want associated and make sure two-step auth is configured if you prefer extra security. You're starting the association now, so Play services can detect the device identity and sync app purchases and settings. You now associate the PC visible device. Open Play Store settings and navigate to Account, then Manage Devices. That shows devices tied to your Google account. Select the PC or emulator name to mark it active and grant necessary permissions. This lets Play recognize where installs may occur. Make adjustments in emulator settings if needed, like Google Play Services and device ID exposure. Once you confirm visibility, Play can target that device for app installs and license checks across your account. You finish by installing a small app from the Play Store to validate the association. Observing successful install proves the device is linked. If the device doesn't appear, remove and re-add your Google account, clear Play Store cache, or restart the emulator. These steps refresh device listings. Make sure Google Play services are up to date and network access is allowed. If problems persist, check emulator logs or sign-in alerts. That usually reveals permission or identity mismatches, preventing association.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.